Challenger 2, man. The people are still alive. I'll try and leave the links in the bottom of the description. Who basically showing you the proof of this. But they appear to most of the people from the Challenger shuttle disaster appear to still be alive. So I don't really believe. You said this millionaire guy managed to pay his way into space, but to be fair, that could also be BS as well.
But it kind of makes sense in ways. If you were a multi-billionaire,
Okay,
for
well,
example, and you wanted to go into space, and NASA would say, no, I don't want to get, take you up to space, even if,
but if they're billionaires, they're all in the same club anyway, aren't they?
Pay me 10% in profit, and I'll take you up there.
Yeah, but that's probably all BS. It's probably BS. It's probably a BS news story.
Okay, fair enough. And maybe it was some rubbish?
Maybe people like you go, oh yeah, that's because he paid to go in space, so they let him go. There's no real evidence. There's,
okay, fine.
Where was the latest footage I've seen of space from NASA is from Hurricane Irma. Where are the stars?
Back to Challenger. Yeah, I was 7 years old when I saw that blew up. Yeah, right, and yes, of course it was on telly. Yeah. But this? We had the British teacher, and it was a big case inside the United Kingdom, blah blah blah. Yeah, of course I was too young to understand with it all, and they were saying, that ice got inside the the fuel, and caused a chain reaction and blew up.
What's the name of the first British astronaut? I can't remember his name. I've forgotten his name now.
Well, you've got Buzz Lightyear.
No. Not Buzz Lightyear. What's his name? The guy who what was it a minute?
Well, Buzz was the second.
What's his name?
Well, the Buzz was the second guy to land on the moon.
No, I'm on about that. I'm on about the first British astronaut. What was his name?
The first British astronaut.
Yes.
As far as I'm aware, yeah. The first British astronaut, yeah.
Say his name.
Okay.
First British astronaut in space. He basically drowned his own helmet. Do you know what I mean? He almost drowned, apparently.
I think you need to do a lot of research. Yeah,
I've forgotten his name.
Half of the stuff I don't support what you're saying. Yeah, some of it I might. Yeah, but a lot of it.
The first British astronaut, he on BBC News, he supposedly, I can't remember, I've forgotten his name, but he almost drowned in his own helmet, apparently. If we had the access to the internet, we'd be able to actually look at these things and point them out.
It's your video.
Yeah.
It's your video, mate.
But you're under the you seem to believe a lot of this stuff about what NASA comes out with when they have no real actual proof or what they say and show is questionable, and they never answer those questions. Like in the latest footage of Hurricane Irma. Okay, now they recently showed pictures, okay, from the Hubble, showing the atmosphere, for example, around the Earth, yeah. But in the latest image from the latest image for Hurricane Irma, which they show from the International Space Station, there's no stars, there's no definition between the atmosphere. It just looks ridiculous to me, in my own opinion. But you believe what you like. Doesn't look like the rest of the footage they supposedly showing lately from the ISS. The image they showed on BBC of Hurricane Irma from the ISS. No stars, no atmosphere line. Compare that to their recent stuff that they've shown us from the ISS. Didn't look the same. That's my opinion.
Sorry, mate, but you're overlapping everything I say. Yeah.
Well, you've spoken a lot more than